What are we gonna say?
Welcome to the vlog.
Wait, not yet. Alright.
Welcome to the vlog.
Yeah. We gotta do bar for bar type shit. Yeah, I'm trying to finish this bitch in 10 minutes. Punch.
What? Okay. It's the morning. What up? I think this is day 2? It's Friday right now. The next day. Morning. We have a couple things planned today. But yeah, right now I'm going to Dunkin', get some breakfast. Bill's already there waiting for me. So yeah. Alright, good to have breakfast. Quick and easy. We gotta make it quick because we're gonna start going to Jumbo, and Jumbo starts in about an hour from now. I wanna get there early. And if we have some more time to kill, we'll probably go to that library that we couldn't go to yesterday. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I see this license plate. It's kinda funny. It says ex-wife. Ooh, damn, I almost tripped. Where are we? Okay. We just made it downtown. Just look. It's a really nice day today. We have some time to kill before Jumbo, so I think we're gonna go to that library that we missed yesterday that was closed. Okay, you can see it. Look at that giant building. It looks like dragons on top. There's the entrance. Oh, that's Herun. Thanks, man. How is this a library? Bro, this is a huge library, guys.
We're in Alex Library.
Bruh. This is an auditorium. Media. Whoa. Alright, so this has 10 floors, but we're on the 9th. Because this, oh god, did I drop that? Because of this. Wow. Wow. Whoa. So people are even taking pictures right there. So cute.
President Ford
Family picture.
was at the helm during the bicentennial.
Unks are talking about Nixon as president.
Watch your step while exiting Advanbury Street.
Yeah. Oh my god, I almost fell. What happened? Oh, what are these seats? It's a ladder. Yeah, that was a different train that we took. It's called the Metro. We're now going to, I'm so hyped for this. It's the Spider-Man Museum. The Spider-Man Museum. Oh, can't wait. We're gonna see all the little knickknacks that they put in the movies. That's the most thing I'm hyped about. And this thing is gonna go away in February. So this is only a temporary thing. So I gotta see it. Gotta. We'll see my childhood. Nabil's childhood. Exhibition. Oh, they're there?
And then gallery.
Okay. Look at this. Whoa. This is a light exhibit. Wow. This is so cute. We're not here for that. We're here for one thing only. Spider-Man. Oh, whoa. There's even planes. Whoa, that's a giant train.
You said
Only reason we here. Oh my god, I'm about to geek out. I love that. Picture of my boy. That's all dog. Changes. Look at the chameleon. This is park. I want to see this though. Oh, this is Andrew Garfield's? Oh no, this is Tobey Maguire's.
Oh, what? That's actually really cool. What the hell?
Spider-Man shows his true colors. Yo. Tom Holland put his balls in that.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
He put his balls in those, and I'm looking at it. Well, he's pretty short. Why is he so short? Oh, these are web shooters? Oh, these are top web shooters.
Oh, can you actually hear it?
Spider-Man.
That's so cool.
That's so cool. Dude, so cute. First, I saw them bust. That is insane. I need to read about Venom. Probably have all the movie props from Marvel movies. They look brutal. What she have on her phone? That shit blank as hell. That she would have something on her phone. She didn't even turn it on. That's so cool. I want one of those in my house. Like an actual train model. But we just got out of the Spider-Man thing. It was short, but worth it. I was reading so much, learning so much. Bro, it's like all smoke.
Cold air that's going down with the downdraft. And then the third one.
What the heck is this? It looks like chocolate milk. My eyes. Damn, I look good though. Oh, I can change the percentage. Now it's all blue. Put some green in it. And then we put more blue in it. We gotta put some red in it. Ooh. This is, well, let's see, experience when I'm so scared. What is this? Get ready to experience when as strong as. Why the fudge am I in here? Okay, we'll do it again. Time has passed. We stopped at this food place called Lazala. It's like an Indian fusion place. Yeah, it was really good. I didn't record the food though. But yeah, look what I got though. Some mint. That is a brown mint. You pop it in your mouth. Get closer. Oh, it's right here, bro. Get your photo in 5 seconds. No set price. Oh. Whoa. That's so cool.
That's so cool.
Thank you. That shit's Gameroony. There's an actual real camera in that vintage casing. 1, 2.
It's like the biggest Starbucks.
Okay, so we're in the biggest Starbucks. I know Starbucks. Don't hate me. I still support Palestine. But we're just checking out. There's 5 floors here. Oh, let's go to the roof terrace.
Yo, just know
Wait,
we don't
what
drink
the hell?
Starbucks.
Yes, I already gave the warning.
Yeah, we don't. We're just here like just to see it.
Free Palestine.
People come all the way just for this apparently. Yeah, there's some alcohol here and stuff.
Are beans coming down? Oh.
What the hell?
Okay, we're coming to the Nutella Cafe. The line is ridiculous. Probably 30-minute wait. I'm gonna show you. Look at that. Look at the line. This is like a Black Friday type line. Oh, we'll wait. We'll wait. It's the only one in the US, so why not? Okay, Loki's moving. Can't lie, I'm gonna say like 20-minute wait. 20-minute wait. I don't know. I guess. Gotta wait here. Alright, it took us 20 minutes just to get inside for another line. I'm getting 2 of everything. I waited 20 minutes for that line. And then this. What is this? Grilled banana.
What the heck is that? It looks so good.
Banana bread. Grilled. Nutella Danish? Oh my god, the Nutella croissant looks bust. I don't know if you can see it, but they have Nutella matcha latte. That sounds disgusting as hell. Brown and green? Yeah, you dirty. I got it. I'm hoping this is filled with Nutella. Give me a little biscuit with my hot cocoa. And look at when the bill got the free. Why is he taking so long? He said he went to go to the bathroom, so I don't know if he's blowing up the bathroom. Just look at busting. Let me try it. The Nutella, hot cocoa. Doesn't smell like anything. Alright, put that back on. Let's do that. Alright. First of all, that's not even that hot. Kind of. Oh, it's kind of mid. What the hell? Mid hot cocoa. This waffle better not disappoint. So good. We just left Nutella Cafe. To my opinion, it was like a 7. I don't think it was that great, but alright. Good morning. It's day 3, the last full day, and I woke up in the morning. We were so tired. It's already like 11 a.m. We don't have anything planned today. Today's only the boat ride, but honestly, me and Nabil are kind of going to our separate raids. He has to do some work, but look what I woke up to. A snow day. Oh my god, cancel school right now. This is so deep. This is like 2 inches. It's supposed to snow all day. I think it's called a winter storm called Belmont or whatever. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna explore this area. Good snow, compacting snow. Snowman. See me? That's my snow angel in the middle of the freaking sidewalk. Alright, snow keeps getting into my freaking mouth. It be hitting me, but look, I came to this place. I don't know what it is. I think it's an Asian store. Oh, that looks cool. That clock tower. Damn, this is like aesthetically pleasing. Yeah, I gotta go to this Asian store. I wanna see if there's any like cool snacks. Okay. Cool. Look what they got. They only have the circle ones here. Oh, they have the square ones. Not lied. Where's the umbrella one? I wanna die. In Squid Games. Ooh, these look cool. Made in Japan? Actually, might have to get one of those. I miss Japan. Oh, look at all these flavors. This one looks cool. Lemon, zero sugar. I don't even know if this is Japanese. Kind of looks Chinese. Yeah, it's kids big. I'm walking back to my cribbo. I didn't really get too much. It was just a snack, honestly. Got some bananas. Oh, fudge. Okay. And then I got this drink. It's made in China. Hawthorn juice and pulp drink. That's cool. And then this is a Korean cheesecake. Look at that. Coffee. Oh, it's pretty busy. Oh, shiz. I got a Dubai chocolate cookie, and I got a latte, and then I got a, what's it called? A panini. Everything's halal here. I'm so hyped. That's good. Alright, got that.
Dude, my mom.
They gave me half a sandwich. Where's the other half?
Like,
this is a honey lavender iced coffee.
This is analytics. MIS.
Rumbling. I feel like I'm gonna fall off.
Dude, I don't know what
They gave us this free thing that was right here. So nice to us. It's all holiday. Oh. Bro, I don't even know if this is the right train.
Where do we get off?
Damien.
I think we're going the wrong way.
I don't think this was our train.
I don't think so either.
It's cool. It's fine. We'll get off the next one. Thank you.
Thank you for riding.
Look at this train.
This is the holiday train for your Great Line stop. Please step up, use all available doors. Watch the doors or the closing. Clark Killing for connect.
Please, I want to see that. Wait, Santa? There's an actual guy there?
Thank you for riding.
Bye, Santa. We saw Santa. We saw Santa. Stop. We're two Muslims running after Santa. Astaghfirullah. Look at that. But it's cool though. Alright, so we came to the United Center. Well, this is a team store. It's over there. If you can see it. Trying to look for the goat, but I don't even think we're allowed in. Oh, actually, we are allowed in. I'm gonna go through security. I don't know how we did it, but we got inside the United Center. I see the goat. I see the goat. That's like a really nice arena. The goat. What's he dunking on?
I just think it's just him right here.
Yeah, but his face is right there. Michael Jordan. Yeah, I need to piss. And shiz. Oh, this is so cool. Look, the Jordan logo is on his shoe. That's crazy. I need to take a picture on my phone. I'm gonna go all the way around. NBA accomplishments. Take a screenshot. Hella shiz. Damn, Tickums too. Hey, this time has passed. I stepped in a puddle. My shoe is wet now. But we're going on this white people shiz. Let me go on this side to show you. We're going on the water in the snowstorm on a boat. For a boat tour. We gotta check in. I didn't know it was gonna snow today. My fault. Don't hurt me. But I bundled up. Got 5 layers under here. Let's see what happens. We're on the boat. It starts at 5. I'm inside right now. It's freezing there, full of snow. All the seats. Man, this is the inside. Kind of pretty. Yeah, we're gonna go up once the boat starts moving. We on a boat. It's about to start. That's our tour guide right there. I'm gonna call him Tim. Oh, we're moving. I hear rumbling.
Flash photography at or near the pilot house is for to make the whole film look beautifully on sunny days. But after 9 years, things started to crack and fall. The tide of river, and that was originally the river.
Why did we do this? I don't like this anymore. Help.
The St. Regis was finished in 2020. It is 1,200 feet or 365 meters tall with 101 stories. It's currently the 3rd tallest building in Chicago, and it's currently through an abundance. Excuse me. Little wild 400,000 square meters or 4.2 million square feet of space.
We just finished a boat tour. Honestly, it was a good experience. Very cold, but I still enjoyed it. Bobby was great. His name was Bobby, not Timmy. But now we're gonna go to this place. Oh, right here. Called Girardelli's. We'll be closing at 8 p.m. due to the weather. Oh, okay.
Well, it's not 8 p.m. right? Pull this one. There you go.
You right. Yeah. I think we go upstairs to order. That is so cool. I want some hot cocoa. It looks so good. And we're on the 2nd floor. Ooh. Oh, you can make your own bag of little pieces of chocolate. How much is it? You got a whole bar of chocolate. I had to. This looks bussin'. Where's the bill? Ooh. You found a good seat. This place is so nice. What a view. View of the river? We were just there on a boat.
Did you get chocolate?
Yeah, you put it in your thing.
Oh, okay.
Put it on top. You got the classic hot cocoa. I got the sea salt one. I submerged my chocolate in there now. So. Yo, this is so good. Thick, very nice. Sea salty too. Listen, out of Girardelli's, so good. Look at this. But yeah, we're gonna go to this Apple store. It's next to the river. We saw it on the boat. We saw it on the boat ride, and it looked so dope. So, I just want to sit here. Guess so. You can check it out. It's so fancy. It's just chill here. There's a study here too. Cool little lounge area. I don't know where the bill went, but it's cool. I like it. I'm going back upstairs. These leather seats look nice. Oh shit! Bro, winter storm and what's it called? Fireworks is insane. Can't even see it. It's so crusty. Let's cross.
I'll let me.
Sure. Whoa! This right here. Alright guys, but we're in the TV here. Now you can't hear me at all. Here. I just saw a spark. Bro, I'm seeing spark. I Alright, while that's going on, I'm gonna go through that little light tunnel. There's a bunch of lights here at Navy Pier. They were kissing. Whoa. Okay. You good, yo?
Yeah. That didn't go in the vlog. That was not that bad.
I just turned around and he's just on the floor. Honestly, there's nothing else here.
Honestly, get the fuck out. Yo, let's get some pizza. Yeah, fuck this guy. Yo, for the vlog, for the...
Yeah, deck him in the face.
Oh my god.
Aim for the face, aim for the face.
Holy.
Yeah, F him. Yeah. Do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, help him out. Gotta help him out. They hate black. Last night on Chicago. Wow. I like this city. Should I move here?
Alright, deep dish Giordano's famous pizza.
Get a slice.
Oh.
Get a cheese bowl.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Damn, that's good.
This looks good.
It does look good. Oh wow.
Okay. Alright, let me get your slice. Alright. No, I'm about to go to sleep. I had to wake up at like 6 a.m. Great day today. But yeah. Tomorrow. We out by Chicago. It's that time. It's 7 in the morning on Sunday. Last day in Chicago. We'll head back to Texas, sadly. I really enjoyed being here in Chicago. I want to come back here during the summer. It was cool. Finally cleaned the damn sidewalk. But yeah, I'm about to head home. Take the train to the airport. Flight's at 9:40. So, gonna stop by Dunkin'. Meal on the bed. Got the thingy again. 60-cent meal. Got the chips in town. Free bus and other bus. I'm gonna enjoy it, damn. My train. Let's go to the airport.
Watch your step upon exiting. Please watch your step upon exiting.
I'm back. Gotta get my bag. Oh, I think it's there.
No hablo español.
Cool trip. I enjoyed it. I'll be back to film some more on my next trip. It's like freaking 54 degrees here. Like, why is it freezing? I was really hoping to come back and it's like 70 degrees. And here in Texas, it's 54 degrees, cloudy. Looks like it's gonna snow or rain. Ugh. Disgusting. Nasty. Get away. But anyways. Like, comment, and subscribe. We's out.